Hello and welcome to my channel. So today I'd like to share with you a very simple and straightforward DIY upgrade that I did to my 6-year-old car. So I replaced the small light bulbs inside the cabin as well as in the trunk and the license plate lights. So here it is. The stock lights in the car's cabin are 8-watt T10 halogen light bulbs, 2 in the map lights and 1 in the dome light. These lights are typically warm yellow, and my issue is I don't think they match with the motif of the dash lights and the color of the car, which are generally white or gray. So I went ahead and purchased these cool white T10 LED lights. They are very cheap and easy to install. I start with the 2 map lights. You can use a plastic pry tool, but here, a thick plastic card can do the trick. Avoid using metal flat screwdrivers as it can damage plastic parts. I'm using paper towel just for insulation and comfort since halogen bulbs can become hot after being on for a while. I try to avoid using pinching tools since there's risk of breaking the bulb. Once out, then I install the LED light. Just note that unlike halogen bulbs, which can be installed either way, LED lights or LED lights have polarity, which means they will only work if installed one way. So, if you installed it and the light doesn't come on, simply try it the other way around and it should work. Otherwise, you may have a bad LED light. In my case, I've tested all of them and they all work just fine. With the map lights done, I then move on to the dome light. Again, I use my trusty plastic card to carefully remove the cover and then remove the halogen bulb. The LED light that I'm installing looks a little different and it's specifically designed for dome lights to maximize illumination only on one side. Next one is the trunk light. There is only one light bulb here for this car model and it is very easy to remove. No need for a pry tool, just simply reach and press on one of the clips underneath the light and it should come off right away. I went ahead and removed the connector first so that it would be easier to work on the light. It's the same T10 light bulb, so I just installed the same kind of LED light that I had in the map lights earlier. It should be easy to put them all back together, just need a few snaps and clicks here and there. The last pair are the license plate lights, which are also T10. To access the lights, I had to remove the trunk lid's interior cover. Once it's off, I can simply reach in to each light receptacle to pull them out. Similar to the trunk light, I removed the receptacle from the connector first to make it easier to work on the bulb. It also avoids putting stress on the wiring harness. I make sure to test the lights first before putting the assembly back together. Now that everything looks good, I simply reattach the lights and put the interior lining back. Alright, here's after I installed the T10 LED lights. Definitely an exciting upgrade to the lighting of my car. Here's how it looks inside the cabin. The license plate lights, and the trunk as well. There were a few lights that I could not upgrade, like the T5 light at the bottom part of the dashboard and the lights for the letters on the transmission, since they are harder to get into. I will just keep the stock halogen light bulbs and have them ready just in case some or all of the LED lights go bad. I also bought an extra pair of LED lights just as a backup. Alright, so there you have it. I hope this video was helpful, and most of the time these steps are similar with all the other car makes and models. So it will just depend on how many light bulbs or lights that you have within your cabin, and you should be able to see the steps that I did in your user manual, because these things should be owner serviceable. You don't need to go to the service center to have this done by a professional. So yeah, please like and subscribe to my channel, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.